I have my 2 helpers today. You gonna help with soil blocking? You gonna help with soil blocking? Huh? Yeah, probably not. All right, we're gonna work on some soil blocks today. Get some soil put together and get it moistened up, and we'll plant some seeds. I'm so excited. I'm ready for the summer. Trays of our, look like brownies, soil blocks. Now I just have to decide what I'm planting first. So I got a few seeds out, 24 to 30 inches. Oh, I might try that. That's pretty. I don't think I did any of those last year. I might have found it like at the end of the year. Most of them I do. The stock that I grew last year did not do very well. I'm not really sure what I did, but they didn't get over like 3 inches tall. It was really weird. The blooms are pretty. The blooms are really pretty and they were very fragrant, but they did not get very tall. Not really time to do zinnias yet. Those won't take long. These guys are like little badminton birdies. All of these sprout pretty early, so I'm going to start over here on this next tray. I'll put something else in here that sprouts quickly. It says 10 to 20 days for germination, but it looks like it takes 10 to 12 weeks for them to grow. So we'll see. Delphinium. Good morning, everybody. Hey, I just wanted to give you an update real quick, and I'm planning on doing a little bit more soil blocking. I hadn't even posted this video yet, and here is the new little seedlings from the stock. I couldn't even believe it. They popped up that fast. Put the saran wrap on it and just kind of kept them really warm. There's a few of the blanket flower that popped up real quick. Oh, wow. It's already starting. Asters haven't popped up, and lavender takes a while, so I'm not worried about those. But I was trying to put them together on the Taz. Really? You have to get a drink now? Are you good? Okay. I was trying to put them on the trays so that they would all come up at about the same time, and evidently I miscalculated. I didn't realize that they would come up that fast. That's awesome. I'm so excited. First babies of the year. Well, from seed. Oh, looks like we got, let's see. This is the cat's stock. The mix. Looks like we got a little tiny baby coming up right there. Very exciting.